Plant FAQs. Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain. Many plant enthusiasts are captivated by the Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain. Its stunning foliage and delicate blooms make it a conversation starter in any indoor space. If you're considering welcoming this begonia into your home, I've compiled a list of frequently asked questions to help you get started. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain? The Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain is a captivating member of the cane or angel wing begonia family. It boasts deeply lobed, olive green leaves splashed with silvery markings, creating a mesmerizing contrast. The deepest leaf indentations you'll find among begonias grace this unique variety. To complete the picture, the Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain produces clusters of light pink flowers, adding a touch of elegance to its visual appeal. What are the ideal growing conditions for Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain? Here's what your Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain craves to thrive. Light, bright, indirect light is key. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. East-facing windows are ideal. Temperature. Aim for a comfortable range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near drafts or extreme temperature fluctuations. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is preferred. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. How do I care for Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain? Here are some simple care tips. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer. Pruning. Prune lightly to remove leggy stems or spent flowers to encourage bushier growth and promote flowering. Repotting. Repot every 1 to 2 years into a slightly larger pot with fresh, well-draining potting mix. Does Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain have any special needs? This begonia doesn't require any overly complicated care. However, it does appreciate consistent moisture and dislikes extreme temperature fluctuations. Maintaining moderate to high humidity levels can also benefit the plant. How is Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain different from other begonias? The deeply lobed leaves with silver splashes set the Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain apart. While many begonias have beautiful foliage, the dramatic leaf shape and contrasting markings of this variety are truly unique. Additionally, the light pink flowers offer a delicate touch that some other begonias may lack. Can Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain be grown outdoors? Technically, it can be grown outdoors in warm, humid climates with consistent temperatures. However, it's primarily considered a houseplant due to its sensitivity to cold and harsh sunlight. Is Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain easy to propagate? Yes, Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain can be propagated relatively easily through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with a few nodes, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a pot with moist potting mix. Keep the soil consistently damp and provide indirect light until new growth emerges. Where can I buy Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain? Finding Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain might require some searching. Local nurseries and online plant stores are potential sources. With its increasing popularity, availability should improve over time. Is Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain toxic to pets? Yes, like many begonias, Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating or toxic if ingested by pets or children. Keep the plant out of reach for their safety. Final thoughts. Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain is a captivating houseplant with stunning foliage and delicate blooms. With proper care, it can grace your home for years to come. By following these simple tips, you can provide your Begonia Sierra Gentle Rain with the ideal environment to flourish.